What's going on, family? 10 weeks out and I got another grocery haul video for you. Things are getting a little bit tighter, so I switched up some of the things that I like to get. I like these berries. I like to eat them right after my workouts usually. It's really sweet and I have a huge sweet tooth. I'm trying this for the first time. It's like tofu dessert. The macros aren't too bad. I like to experiment a lot when I'm getting deeper into prep and like try out new recipes, learn how to cook. It's get really weird, but yeah, everyone knows I'm weird, so it's whatever though. I got a baby kale mix, and I really like mixing this with poppy seed dressing. Whatever dressing you feel like is best, but you have to be careful because some of them are really high fat. Mushrooms have amazing macros, and I've been liking making stir fries. I've been cooking chicken, cooking it in water to put the fat down, and then I've been mixing up the mushrooms, broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower or riced cauliflower, and it's been so good with like soy sauce, garlic powder, stuff like that. And my protein waffles, I'm still using those as a staple. Have my zero fat Greek yogurt, mixing those with berries. For my workout, sometimes I like to fast in the morning so I can have extra carbs later on in the day, and then I have a couple candies. You have to be careful with these, they take up a lot of macros. It's almost like eating pure sugar. I'm trying these out for the first time. Usually I get zero fat cottage cheese, but I got the flavored ones, only 10 carbs per pack. So I'm gonna see how these are and I'll let you guys know. Of course, chicken breast. I got these Smart Pop. Actually, shout out the Natty Hour fam. Kyle Jansen showed me these, and it's only 35 calories per serving, and they taste so good. Super high volume, and if you eat one by one, you can make them last long. And I got Diet Pop. Usually get Diet A&W Root Beer or Diet Dr. Pepper, and those are my two faves, but I was kind of lazy to walk around the grocery store because I'm a little hangry after my workout. So I'm about to smash some food because I am getting hangry. And yeah, thank you guys for checking in. Let me know what other stuff you guys want to see throughout this prep. Like the video if you guys liked it. Subscribe if you're not part of the team. And I'll see you guys in the next one.